In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make the liquid glass effect more readable on your iPad. The first thing we can do is to make the liquid glass more opaque. So to do this, we first want to open the settings application. Now you want to scroll down until you find display brightness and tap into that. Now you want to find liquid glass and tap into that. Here it's going to be on clear by default, however we can change it to tinted, and as you can see from the demonstration above, it's going to make it more opaque and more readable. So to show you an example, if I put it on clear, and then open the Apple Music application, you can see the liquid glass effect at the bottom. However, if I change this to the tinted option, and then go back to Apple Music, the liquid glass now has a more opaque effect, and it's going to be a lot more readable. If you're still struggling to read liquid glass, and then you can turn off transparency altogether. So to do this, we first want to open the settings application. Now you want to scroll down until you find accessibility, and tap into that. Now you want to find display and text size and tap into that. Here you'll find reduced transparency and you want to toggle it on. When you enable this option, you immediately see that all the transparent panels will no longer be see-through. So to show you another example, if we exit out of the settings application and we go to our app library, you see that it's no longer transparent. And same goes with the dock at the bottom. As a bonus tip, if you go back to the settings application, you can also increase transparency, which is going to make things a bit more easier to read as well. And that's it. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like.